Welcome aboard Orbit Airlines. You're on board a CRJ-700. I'm going to be showing you a brief demonstration of the safety instructions. For takeoff, we ask that you turn off all electronic devices, and they cannot be used until 15 minutes after takeoff. Some items such as radios, cameras, laptops, receiving and transmitting, radios, TVs, and cell phones may not be used at flight at any time. You'll find a list of approved electronic devices in the in-flight of SkyMall. We ask that you put your seat into your locked position. All your carry-on items are either stored in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. All aisles exits are clear, and your seatbelt should be buckled to fasten your seatbelt. Put the pointy part into the buckle. Tighten the strap. To release, pull up on the buckle. There are 4 emergency exits on board. There are the stairs which you entered in, the galley service door, and 2 window exits over the wings. All the exits are located by the sign that says exit. Please locate the 2 exits nearest you. Keep in mind the nearest exit may be behind you. Smoking. We are pleased to provide a non-smoke-free environment on all of our aircraft. Smoking in the cabin and the lavatories are prohibited by law. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors is also prohibited by law. In case there is loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will fall from the compartments above your seat. Pull down on the mask, and then oxygen will be flowing to the mask. Place it over your mouth and nose, and then tighten on the loose ends of the straps. If the bag is not inflated, don't worry, oxygen will still be flowing to the mask. Remember to put your mask on before offering assistance. In case of a wire landing, your seat cushion can also be used as a flotation device. Pick up the seat cushion and put your arms through straps and give a nice good hug. Thanks for your attention. We hope you have a wonderful flight on Orbit Airlines. Thank switches off the seatbelt sign, you may get out of your seat. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items may have shifted throughout the flight. We thank you for flying on board Orbit Airlines today. We hope you come back, and we hope you enjoy your time here in Cleveland, Ohio. Thank you. We wish you a pleasant stay.